it's me, Recky. I just found something on YouTube. I thought I had to do a reaction to it. Not because I want it. I had to. I think I might be one of those who does this completely wrong. And I'm quite embarrassed. And if you are one of those who does this completely wrong, don't feel ashamed. Adapt, learn, change. Very important. We're gonna watch a video that was recorded 1979. It's 42 years old. That's how old this is. And we missed this. I haven't seen this. I just found it. Browsing on YouTube. And I was amazed. I gotta watch this. Let's watch it together and become better at this before we do this. Before we check out this instruction video from 1979 in Finnish. You know, that's the language in Finland if you didn't know. And of course, like and subscribe for more educational reactions. Before anything else, we thank the channel members. You can see on screen right here. Thank you guys. Thank you. And of course, we have the Patreons. Many of my Patreons have been with me for a very long time, and I am humble. We got the Supreme Tier Donators by Patreons too, and they get a shout out. Sean Pearson, Buddha Squirrel, and David Bangson. If you want to join the Patreons, link will be in the comment section. Or click join to see what kind of cool benefits you get by supporting me. Are you ready? Let's go. Educational. I will probably need to read. I don't know if you can actually read the subtitles, but I think I will read them out for you because I think the translation or the translation text is going to be too small down here and you might not see it. So I will translate it. I will read what it says. Well, it's not in Finnish because I don't speak Finnish, but it's going to be in English. And I'm going to read it for you so you can tag along and understand. Very important. Let's do this. Don't be ashamed. Don't be ashamed. Let's do this together.
Kaiken yhteiskunnalla on sinulle asiaa. Tiesitkö, että joka kolmas
Did you know that every third person constantly opened doors incorrectly?
suomalainen avaa jatkuvasti oven väärin? Älä ole huono.
Do not be a bad door opener. But there is hardly anything easier than opening a door.
Oven avaaja, sillä tuskin mikään on niin helppoa kuin oven avaaminen. Oven avaamisen
The rule of thumb of opening a door is that the door is always open in the same way.
nyrkkisääntö on, että ovi avataan aina samalla tavalla. On tärkeää oppia
It's important to properly learn basic door opening.
ja kunnolla perusoven avaus. Ovea lähestytään rauhallisesti.
First step is to approach the door calmly.
3 metriä ennen avattavaa ovea
3 meters before the door, your steps have to be adjusted so that the left foot stops about 5 centimeters from the threshold.
askeleet on sovitettava siten, että vasen jalka osuu oven karmin eteen noin 5 sentin päähän kynnyksestä. Oikea
Right foot stays behind.
jalka jää taakse. Rytmisesti onnistuu
The prerequisite for opening a door in rhythmically successful way is that you rest on your left foot. That was some really tough English right there.
oven avauksen perusedellytys on, että paino lepää vasemmalla jalalla. Asentonne on oikea.
Your posture is correct if you can effortlessly lift your right foot in the air and rotate without falling.
Jos pystytte vaivattomasti nostamaan oikean jalan ilmaan ja pyörittämään sitä nilkan ympäri kaatumatta. Ojennatte nyt vasemman.
Now you'll extend your left arm towards the door handle, while your weight shifts forward.
Käden kohti kahvaa painon siirtyessä eteenpäin. Tämän liikkeen ansiosta
Due to this maneuver, your weight also moves to your left hand, which sort of automatically pushes the handle down.
Paino siirtyy myös vasemmalle kädelle, joka ikään kuin itsestään painaa kahvan alas. Syntyneestä raosta
From the immersed opening, you'll slip your right foot in, rotating on it, turning your front side towards the entry direction.
sujautatte vapautuneen oikean jalan sisään, pyörähtäen sen varassa ympäri, kääntäen rintamasuuntanne tulosuuntaan, samalla irroit
while releasing your grip from the handle.
ottaen otteenne oven kahvasta, mutta samalla tarttuen
But at the same time, grabbing the handle with your right hand while shifting your weight to the right.
oikealla kädellä kahvaan, siirtäen samalla painonne oikealle. Ovi sulkeutuu.
And the door closes.
Näin olette oppineet avaamaan
Now as you learn to open and close a door that opens away from you.
ja sulkemaan oven, joka aukeaa itsestänne poispäin. Ovethan
Doors do often open towards us.
aukeavat usein myös itseenne päin. On syytä muistaa, että
It should be remembered that this time we only taught you to open a door in a situation where the door is open from the right side with a push.
me opetimme tällä kerralla perusavauksen ainoastaan sellaisessa tilanteessa, jossa ovi aukeaa oikeasta reunasta työntäen. Tätä nyt opeteltua
This method we learned just now should not be applied to opening any other kind of door or you'll be left outside.
menetelmää ei pidä soveltaa muunlaisten ovien avaamiseen tai jäätte ulkopuolelle.
I feel I needed that. I can now, as a pro, open a door. If you learned something today, you gotta smash that like and comment if you were one of those who opened door incorrect. I think I'm definitely one of those, and I'm proud of it because I just learned how to open a door. At least the one that opens. Was it towards, or was it towards or away from? It doesn't matter. I learned something today. Thank you for watching. See you next time.